Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, September 2nd. The Zen story for today is titled The Meal Made of Air. The stall looked abandoned, except for the smell of something impossible. No fire, no pots, no steam, just four crooked stools and an old woman humming like she had a full orchestra behind her. "I'm hungry," the monk admitted. "You're fortunate then," said the monkey, puffing out its chest. "This is the finest dining establishment on this path, possibly in this lifetime." The monk glanced at the empty counter. But there is no food." The monkey tapped its nose. "Exactly." The woman looked up. "One serving of the rarest kind of nourishment?" "Yes, please," said the monkey before the monk could protest. It turned to the monk. "Give her your coin." "My last one? Do you plan to carry it into enlightenment?" Reluctantly, the monk placed the coin on the wooden plank. The woman pocketed it and poured absolutely nothing into a small wooden bowl. She passed it to the monkey with reverence. The monkey inhaled. Ah, essence of sky, hint of mountain breeze, aged 12 seasons. Smell that? The monk sniffed. It smelled like a bowl. Um, Now, said the monkey, eat. The monk stared into the emptiness. Slowly, with all the solemnity of a tea ceremony, he lifted the bowl to his lips and pretended to sip. The monkey watched him approvingly. "Delicate, isn't it? Fills you up in places you didn't know were empty." The monk nodded, trying to look wise. His stomach growled audibly. The monkey burped. They walked on. After a while, the monk said, "I still feel hungry." The monkey shrugged. "Then, clearly, you didn't taste it properly." Now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What have you dismissed as nothing that might have been quietly nourishing you all along? What have you dismissed as nothing that might have been quietly nourishing you all along? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What have you dismissed as nothing that might have been quietly nourishing you all along? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you on Thursday.